Welcome viewers to the SD online classes. This is probably the 6th or 7th lecture in your first chapter. In the earlier lecture we have discussed the uniform motion and non-uniform motion. So in continuation with that, today we will do speed. Okay. So writing what is speed first and after that making the understanding of it. Okay. So let me write what is speed first. You can see this is speed. Speed of an object is the distance traveled by the object in a unit time. Unit time means one time. That means 1 second, 1 hour, or it may be 1 minute. Like the unit means one. Okay. Another definition also is there. We can also say speed is the rate of change of distance. What is the meaning of this rate of change? This all we will try to understand. Okay. So what is the detail? Speed is the distance traveled. You already know what is distance. You already know what is time. But from there I want to write what is speed. Okay. Let's do that. You can write first this and then try to understand. Okay. You see there are three different person A, B and C. All are running. They are athletes. Okay. A, B and C, right? All three. They are going to run. They are going to run 1000 meter. This also is going to run 1000 meter. This also going to run 1000. It is taking 5 minutes to reach here. B is taking 3 minutes to reach here. C is taking 4 minutes to reach 1000 meter. Okay, this is the starting point, same, finishing point, same. Now, you can easily say which is moving the fastest. Which is moving the fastest? Fastest is which one? It is easily B. Slowest, which one is the slowest? Fastest is B, slowest is A. Why? What is the reason? Taking less time. Important. Okay, try to understand. Less time. This is the slowest. Why? It is taking more. The more and less is important. Okay, more time. Now we will try to make this formula from there. Also, if I ask which is fastest and slowest, can I ask which one has the highest speed? You already know speed. Without studying also you know what about speed. Which is having the highest speed? A or B or C? You already know B's speed of B is more than speed of C, and which is more than speed of A. So clear, right? So now I have to connect only what is speed and what is time relation. Okay, let us understand. Suppose speed is denoted by V. Okay, speed is not denoted by S. Okay, it is denoted by V. V is nothing but distance divided by time. I will justify why I am writing this. Distance symbol is S, time symbol is T. So this is the formula for speed. Why did I write distance in the numerator, time in the denominator? Because speed will be affected by these two things. If your speed is very high, you will cover more distance. Is it right or not? Suppose two persons are running, A and B are running. If it is running for 5 minutes, it will reach only 1000 meter. But if B is running for 5 minutes, it will reach somewhere here, right? That means it will cover more distance. So what is the meaning? Speed more will have distance more. Understand? So it is a direct relation. Direct relation means more will give you more. More distance, more speed. More speed means more distance. So it is a direct dependence. Direct dependence is written in the numerator. Similarly, let us decide the time and speed. If A is taking 5 minutes to reach here, but B is taking only 3 minutes, that means less time, more speed, more time, less speed. What is the relation? Opposite relation. More time, less speed. Less time, more speed. So the relation is opposite. Okay. Opposite means numerator and denominator. You have to put it in the reverse way. So that is why distance is kept in the numerator and the time is kept in the denominator. Now you can justify easily, any object which is fast will take less time. Any object which is fast will go more distance. So that is the reason, very simple. So its unit will be meter per second. Why? Because distance is measured in meter, time is measured in second. Okay. Also speed is a scalar quantity. Its unit is, I should write SI unit is meter per second. Why? Reason, meter is distance, second is time. Very simple, right? Now another thing, it has only magnitude but no direction. That is why we call it a scalar quantity. Speed is a scalar quantity. Okay. Now we come to types of speed. What are the types of speed? First is uniform speed. What is uniform speed? Any object, you already did this in uniform motion also. Any object, in terms of speed we are studying, that's all. Any object which covers equal distances in equal intervals of time, however small the intervals may be, then the object is said to be moving with uniform speed. Fine. So example is also like that. The earlier examples can be taken. Another type of motion is also, speed is also there, which is number 2. We'll write that. We look at the second type, variable. Vary means change. So variable means something which changes. Okay, variable is VARY, vary, change. Variable means something which can change, changeable, or also called non-uniform. You remember, uniform speed is where the distance and the time is same. Here non-uniform, the opposite. If a moving object covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time, however small, any small interval can be taken, then the object is said to be moving with non-uniform speed. Earlier that was a general idea, motion studying is general idea. Now speed means a technical term, speed is used, that's all. The meaning is same. Okay, you already have done the difference between the uniform speed and non-uniform speed also. Now there are types of speed: uniform speed, non-uniform speed, average speed, instantaneous speed. We will do that also. The third one is average speed. Average speed is, suppose you have changed the speed many times, but you want to take one speed for common. So that is the average speed. How to take that? Average speed is the ratio of the total distance you cover. Okay, even in the non-uniform also you can find. Okay, average speed you can find in non-uniform case also. Total distance, all the total distance you calculate together and add them together and divide it by the total time it has taken. 15 second, 15 second, 15 second, all you add it. 20 kilometer, 40 kilometer, 15 kilometer, all you add here. So then if you divide by the same formula, distance by time, you will get average speed. Okay, so formula is V, you write AV here only. That AV stands for, it represents velocity. It represents your average speed. Okay, that's all. It has same unit, meter per second, so I will not write. One more is there, instantaneous speed, that is the next one. Next is this instantaneous speed. Instant means at the moment, immediately. The speed of an object at any instant. You don't want to wait. At that moment, what is the speed? Is if you want to find, that is called instantaneous speed. At any moment of the time, that is called instantaneous speed. Okay, instantaneous speed. Okay, and the example is very easy. You have seen vehicles, you have seen cars, bikes, speedometer is there between the handle of the bike, scooters, or in the car also near the driving wheel, near the steering, you will see this type of things. Okay, so here you see the speed it is showing all the time, it is showing to 40, 60, 20 like this. So that means at that particular time, what is the speed it is showing is, this is called speedometer. This is called speedometer. Okay, speedometer shows instantaneous speed, not average speed. Okay, so this is the example. The same unit, meter per second, because it is also speed. Okay, so this is what we have finished all about speed. Thank you.